The steps to adding sales tax for your invoices is starting with My Settings and then Settings. Next, head over to Invoice Setup. You're going to want to come down to Settings and toggle on your sales tax toggle and set the appropriate sales tax in the box. Then go down to your invoice products. There you have the option to set your products as taxable or not by just checking the box here. After that, you can head over to your invoice templates, create a new template. We would create the name and the days until due. Then at the bottom here, you would add your items. You have the ability to edit the sales tax. You can also delete the sales tax or add it back in. It's simple as just typing in the new one and checking it off. You can have your tax before or after a discount, and then just click save and your invoice is ready to go with sales tax right there.